Yeah, Sparky's on to something.
Yeah, Rucker actually was on this first.
Well, there ain't no way of knowing which way the wind is blowing. There ain't no way of knowing while my baby's done up and gone. Said there ain't no way of knowing. I keep looking for the headlights showing. There ain't no way of knowing if my baby's gonna come back home. I telephoned my baby, played hell getting through. She won't tell me anything, and all her friends won't too. Well, there ain't no way of knowing which way the wind is blowing. There ain't no way of knowing while my baby's done up and gone. Said there ain't no.
While searching this area for turtles, we found this old home site. Only thing left now is a pile of rubble from the chimney and some old utensils. There's a bowl here with the bluing and an old bucket. Over there, there's a matching teapot. It's pretty interesting. Oh, we got a turtle. Got a turtle. They found it. After all that searching, they found it. Excellent. Who found it?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh, they're playing hockey with the turtle again. Sparky must have found it.
No,
No?
no, he was up farther. We got it here on the log.
Happy dogs.
That was a long hunt.
Rucker, we found it. Come here.
Are you still looking?
See, he trailed this thing. This is what he was trailing.
Yep.
Sparkle, be quick. He knows he says, okay, all right.
All right.
Boy, that's a huge male turtle.
Yay.
Excellent. Well, good job, dogs.
I knew right here in this log. It was literally right where that dog is. I'll keep you up that spot. Good job. Man, this thing weighs.
Oh, look at that turtle.
That's it.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this is easily, I'd say it's pushing, 450 grams.
Wow. Gorgeous turtle. Look at that male.
Beautiful,
Definitely
yeah,
a male.
beautiful, dominant male. But I can assure you he lives a lonely life.
Yeah.
Because there's just no other turtles around here.
Mm. Poor guy.
Yep.
Oh, well. Good work.
Yeah, well, you see,
Good dog.
I just thought I better try that little log jam right there.
Yep.
And you see, he had moved all through there this morning, and then he hunkered down in form right there.
Right up. See you found there, Emily.
Wild strawberries.
Wild strawberries. Let's see.
There's quite a few of them.
Look at all of them.
Here.
Oh, boy, that looks good. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, people think they're poison. Isn't that funny? They're just different looking than a strawberry you might buy in the store, but tastes great. Box turtles love these guys, too. See the turtle. Turtle's right down in there.
He's trying to dig it up. Okay, don't go any closer.
Yep.
Sparky will get it right quick.
Yeah. Sparky's got it.
Yeah.
There's somebody now.
Sparky's got it.
Yep.
He's gonna let them down.
Yeah, he's going to let it.
Oh, man, that's what a cool dog.
Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah. Well, Jimmy, sorry to disturb you, but
Good boy.
we had to reward the dog.
Good boy. Good boy.
All right.
Great dog.
Good job.
Keep it out of there, Brad.
Yeah. No. Jimmy. Yes, you did. Keep going. Greta's like, where'd it go?
I had it. I don't understand.
Yeah.
Sparky.
Look at that tail.
I know, I thought I put something out. Pine turtle. Pine turtle. Find turtle. Get it. Get it. Find turtle. Victor. Find turtle. I know I saw him drop some.
Cool. Have you ever done that before?
Well, he put his head up and he looked at me and smiled. Find turtle. It's an expression I know. It means utterly that there's one right here.
Oh, wow.
River. Find turtle. Can you find a turtle? I don't know where that third dog is.
Saw some grass moved down there a minute ago.
Yeah.
Didn't you drop something like that?
Look at this. Look at this.
Okay. I knew he dropped. I knew he had
Look
a
at
turtle.
this. And you gave it to her.
Yeah, you let her have it. Good girl.
Wow, he's something else. Boy, you're some dog, Sparky. He's trying to train him.
That's right.
Good
All right.
All right.
Good dogs. Good dogs.
Good girl. I said not.
Will I notch this one?
You won't believe it, but is that one of your notches?
Nope. Nope, yes it is. There's a notch.
Okay.
This is a recapture.
Yeah.
Sure
It's
is.
a nice big,
Pretty.
I'd call it a female, wouldn't you? Very slight indentation, but a high down.
Big shell, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what that is. A female, that's one of those questionable ones.
Mm-hmm. It's a big turtle.
It is.
Really is.
Pretty nice.
Big, pretty turtle.
Where is that possible?
Woke up this morning alone in our bed, afraid my hurtful words had run you off again. My head is aching and my heart is too. Am I left here in this lonely world without you? Every time I stop drinking, can't stop thinking about what I took for granted, and I thought I'd never lose. So I put down the booze and I pick up the blues.
Hey, come here, you monkey. Come here.
I go to places that I used to go with you. People ask me where you are, I say I wish I knew. I try to straighten up, a little late I guess. I raise my glass to you and I wish you all the best. Every time I stop drinking, can't stop thinking about what I took for granted, and I thought I'd never lose. So I put down the booze and I pick up the blues. Every time I stop drinking, can't stop thinking about what I took for granted, and I thought I'd never lose. So I put down the booze
And it all happens in Earthshine.
pick up the blues.
You need to come visit this place. There's nowhere else like it.